Hello friends at home! In this video I will be going over today's math test with you. All of our face-to-face friends are here in the classroom. They are quietly putting their name on their paper, so let's do the same. The first thing I do is always the same. Take out my pencil and write down my name. I was just telling the friends here in the classroom I'm going to read through each question. I'm going to lead you to the answer. You will put your answer on your paper. I am beginning on the side that says Chapter 8 Test at the top. And at the bottom, we have 43 and 44. If you don't see that Chapter 8 test box at the top, you're on the wrong side. Noah, you've got your hand up. Did you have a question? I do. Thank you. All right, so let's take a look at number 1 now. And you can look at the screen or you can look right on the test in front of you. It says break apart 10. One number must be 3. So if we're breaking apart the 10, and we take 3 out of the 10, what will this other number be? I'm taking 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm breaking it apart, ka-chink, and I've got 3 right here. What will this other number be? Put that number on the line. Looking at number 2, it says color all the sums of 10. We're just going to shade them in with our pencil. You do not need any color. So I'll give you a few minutes. Kids at home, if you want to pause the video while you work on this one, and then you can unpause when you're ready to continue. That way you have enough time. What you're going to do is go through each of the circles, or I guess these are ovals, add them up. If they equal 10, shade in the box like a bubble. If they don't equal 10, leave them alone. So I'll give you a few minutes, and again, friends at home, if you want to hit pause and then unpause when you're done. All right, so for number 3, it says use dark and light to make a model that shows 10. So instead of using dark and light, I want you to use X's and O's. So show me 10 in your 10 frame. You can use X's and O's. So you could have 3 X's and then the rest O's. You could have 5 X's and the rest O's. You know what I'm saying? So you're putting 2 different shapes in the 10 frame. Show me 10 in the 10 frame. Show me 10. Looking at number 4 at the top of this page, it says color the related addition fact. So here we have 6 plus 3 equals 9. So our parts are 6 and 3 and our sum is 9. Which one of these is the related addition fact? So it has to be addition. So if you don't see addition, you know that's not it. And it has to be related. So they have to be in the same fact family, and then color in the box with your pencil. Okay? Okay, so for number 5, they're showing you what a doubles plus 1 looks like. But all you have to do is say this first cube train, how many cubes are there? Put that number in this box. The second cube train, how many cubes are there? Put that number in this box. And then down here, put how many cubes are there all together. Okay, so you're just adding up how many cubes there are. Blake, I need your eyes on your paper, okay? All right, let's look down now at number 6. It says Ted has 4 coins. Donald has 1 more coin than Ted. So use the number line and doubles plus 1 to show how many in all. Okay, so we know, let's talk about what we know first. We know that Ted has 4. And we know that Donald has 1 more than Ted. So Donald doesn't have 1. He has the same amount as Ted plus 1 more. So what would that number be? Create your addition sentence. So you've got Ted's 4 plus whatever this number is for Donald's. And then put the total here, and you can use your number line if it helps. Okay? So 4 plus this number equals that number. Fill in the blanks. And when you're done doing that, you're just going to draw lines to how many cubes there are to the correct number. So if there's 7 cubes, connect it to the 7. If there's 9 cubes, connect it to the 9. And if there's 10 cubes, connect it to the 10. You're connecting the cube trains to the numbers. And when you're done, flip your paper over. And once everyone has their page flipped over, I'll know you're all ready to move on. Oh, we don't talk during a test. All right, we are now on the top of the second page. Number 8 says, circle the numbers you will add first, find that sum, then find the total. Remember, I don't care what numbers you add first. If you want to add the 7 and the 1 first, awesome, circle them. If you want to add the 1 and the 2 first, awesome, circle them. If you want to add the 7 and the 2 first, awesome, circle them. Just make sure you circle the numbers that you're adding first. Put that total here. Then put the remaining number here, and then write your answer there. Okay? All right, for number 9, they already chose 2 numbers to add together first, but they forgot to circle them. So it says figure out which 2 numbers they added first to get 10 and circle those 2 numbers. And then write the other number on this line and then tell us the total. So we've got 4, 4, and 6. Which 2 numbers did they add together to make 10? What's the other number? And then how much do they add up to all together? Okay, number 10 says, color the cubes to show 5 plus 3 plus 2. Now, it says to use 3 colors. I don't want you to use 3 colors. What I want you to do is count to 5 and then draw a line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then draw a line like you're cutting it. Then count to 3, 1, 2, 3, and draw a line, and then you'll have 2 left over. Okay? So you're not going to color. You're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, cut. 1, 2, 3, cut. And then you should have 2 left over. Okay? Now, number 11 says that Bert has 24 tomatoes. It says draw circles in the 10 frames to show the number of tomatoes. Well, 24 is 2 10s and 4 1s. So you're going to have some tomatoes left over. Okay? So you're going to fill in 2 10s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 2 10s. But then you still have 4 1s left over. So you need to draw in your 4 1s. So make sure you draw in the 2 10s and 4 1s to show 24 tomatoes. Do that now. Oh, somebody's talking and they shouldn't be. For number 12, they have too many 1s, so you need to make another 10. So you just got to circle 10 1s so that you make another 10. God bless you. You done? I'm not giving you the answers. I'm just telling you what to do. You're just that smart. It just feels like you know the answers. All right, for number 13, they want there to be 3 10s. So you need to, there's 1 10. You need to count up and get 2 10s. And then you might have to draw more cubes to get to the third 10. So you need to show 3 10s, okay? So it says draw more cubes to make 3 10s. Now for number 14, you have to fill in the missing number to get 10. If this were me and it were my test, the easiest way for me would be to draw a 10 frame on my paper and make sure that I have 10 spots in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got my 10 frame. Now this one has 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many would I need to make 10? I'd put that number here. This one has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many would I need to get 10? I'd put that number here. This one only has 2. 1, 2. So how many more would I need to get 10? And this one has 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many more would I need to get 10? I did that really fast because I want you to do it on your own right now. Figure out the missing numbers. How many do you need to get to 10 on all of those? And for your last problem, friends, you're just going to add up 7 plus 2. And then it says change the order of your add-ins. So you're going to flip-flop the 7 and the 2, and then write the answer as well. So like a fact family. When you are finished, kids at home, make sure you take a picture of both sides and make sure that the picture is clear. Okay, if you take a picture and it's kind of, what's the word I'm looking for, grainy or blurry, it's hard for Mrs. Hatkoff and I to grade these. So make sure the pictures of both sides are nice and clear and that you can see them clearly. Upload them for us. Friends here in the classroom, as soon as you're done, put your papers in the green basket.